Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can change background color of our design on a Canva application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a design on my Canva application and I'm going to change the background color of this poster. Then first of all, we can click on the background like this. Then we just need to click on this color option, and here you can choose the color you would like to apply to your background. And for instance, I'm gonna go with this color. Just click on the color you would like to apply, and now as you can see that the background color has been changed, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can change background color of our design on Canva application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.